Hi guys, this is Jess, and thanks for tuning in to Travel Pixie Style. I'm going to be taking you on adventures, some near, some far. Today we're just taking a casual stroll down at our local setback. It's one of my favorite locations for my photography sessions, especially in the fall. It's a good little walk, and you can decide how far you want to go. I didn't really have a solid plan for the video today. It was more of a jump on and say hi, guys, and give you an idea of what's to come. Got my walking buddy here, Luki. Say hi. Doesn't he just have the cutest little face? I love it. So, a little bit about me. I am a mother of three. I have a Disney loving husband as well, a dog, as you've met, a cat, and an unhealthy dose of vacation habits. Well, I mean, some people would say unhealthy, but who are we kidding? I'm a pretty busy person when I am not running the kids around through sports and school activities. I am out taking photos or traveling. And in the midst of all of this, I am trying to put together videos for you guys so you can join us too. So, Travel Pixie Style, I've said it 50 times. What is it? Well, I started this channel really to piggyback off of the travel agency that I started recently, which I started because I love the planning phase of travel. So, yes, hint, hint, let me book it for you. Give me a call. We'll talk vacation. I'm also a photographer. I have a portrait and wedding photography business that I started a couple of years back. Links to both my photography business and Travel Pixie Style can be found below. I'm planning to post 2 videos a week, ideally on a Tuesday and Thursday schedule. So stay tuned. And in January, I have a Disney trip booked for us. So I'm pretty excited and can't wait to show you. If I lived near Disney, I'd be there every day, but I don't. There is a lot of rich history up here, I will say that. Many locals and travelers alike like to come and kayak, ice fish, sightsee. If you are one of the lucky few, you will get to see a river otter, some snappers, or the beautiful bald eagles who reside here. There's a nest, a couple of nests actually, in the area, not too far from where you'll park. The kayakers usually launch off right here. We're starting to ice over. Oh, that's such a depressing sight. One of the eagle's nests in the area actually lives in this cluster of trees over here. And fun fact for you, an eagle's nest can be up to 9 feet in diameter and weigh up to 2,000 pounds, which blows my mind. Their lifespan can be over 30 years in the wild, and they typically mate for life, which I think is pretty special. How often do you guys get to see them? I used to think they were super rare, but since I moved back to Hinsdale, I don't know, I see them quite a bit. As you can see, it's a pretty cool spot. There's water on both sides of me, so it makes for a very pretty walk, especially at sunset. Come across vehicles, trucks on this path. People drive it. It's prettier to walk. So our beautiful Connecticut River is actually the longest river in New England at about 410 miles long. It starts at a small pond just below the Canadian border and extends all the way down through 4 states. As you can see, it's just super pretty down here. Wicked peaceful. Down the stretch is the decommissioned nuclear power plant, Vermont Yankee. At the risk of sounding old, back in the day, you had to drive your little boat through a tiny tunnel in order to get into the Connecticut. But this year, they've been building a new boat ramp, which is so exciting for the small town of Hinsdale, New Hampshire. Okay, you guys, there you go. This is what you had to go through in order to get to the river. All right, here it is, guys. Beautiful new boat ramp. It's so different, so changed. I can't wait to see the finished product. It's gonna be beautiful. So open. We're not getting lucky today. No river otters or bald eagles, not even a snapper. As a kid, I used to boat and tube and swim in this river, and the idea kind of freaks me out just a little bit now that I'm older. Do you guys? Do you go in the river? Subscribe. Don't miss out on all the fun we're gonna have. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time on Travel Pixie Style.